Hello, I'm a member of the SBR examining team, and over the next 5 minutes, I will be sharing some key tips on how to approach the SBR exam. The SBR exams are comprised of two sections testing professional competences within the business reporting environment. Section A contains two scenario-based questions, making up the first 50 marks of the exam. Question 1 predominantly tests group accounting. Marks will be awarded for discussing the accounting treatment of issues such as acquisitions and disposals of subsidiaries and associates, including step acquisitions, partial disposals, and foreign investments within a group's accounting scenario. Up to 14 marks will be available for correcting a draft consolidated statement or an extract from a consolidated statement using a pre-formatted spreadsheet response option. Other technical areas of the syllabus can also be tested in question 1. Question 2 will contain a requirement focused on ethics, plus a further requirement on one or more technical areas from the syllabus. This question will always include 2 professional marks that will be awarded in relation to how the candidate has answered the ethics-related requirement. Question 3 will test technical knowledge and application of one or more IFRS accounting standards and will require discursive answers and sometimes calculations. If sitting the UK or Republic of Ireland exam, question 3 will also contain one or more requirements focused on the financial reporting standards applicable in the UK and Republic of Ireland, or relevant company law requirements. Question 4 will also test knowledge and application of IFRS accounting standards, but is likely to have a requirement focused on the information needs of investors and other stakeholders. There will be 2 professional marks awarded in question 4, usually linked to a stakeholder perspective. Many SBR questions test assumed knowledge of the IFRS accounting standards examined at the financial reporting paper and frequently include topics such as property, plant and equipment, intangibles, impairment of assets, assets held for sale, revenue, leases, and provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent assets. Having a good technical understanding of these topics is therefore essential. There are also some topics which are built on the foundations of previous learning. Topics such as group accounting, financial instruments, and deferred tax are not new to the candidates, but require further knowledge of the relevant accounting standards. You should make use of the SBR exam resources in the Study Support Resources section of the ACCA website. Some resources are applicable to all SBR exams, and some are specific to particular versions. Rote learning is not enough to pass the SBR exam. Good technical understanding needs to go beyond rote learning the rules of the standards. Application of knowledge to the question scenarios is key in the SBR exam and the only way to secure a pass. Past exam content will help you understand the types of scenarios which were tested and the answers that are expected from candidates. The exam is 3 hours and 15 minutes long, which means you have 58 minutes for question 1, 39 minutes for question 2, and 48 minutes for each section B question. You must practice questions to time to ensure that you do not overrun on a question during the exam. Candidates often spend too much time on questions 1 and 2 to the detriment of questions 3 and 4. You must make sure that you structure your answer in a way that is easy to follow and mark. Use headings to break up requirements and keep paragraphs brief and precise. It is also good to practice using the spreadsheet response option for question 1 to ensure that the adjustments made are clear to follow and that all workings are provided. All questions in the SBR exam are compulsory and count towards your final mark, so you should attempt every question and every requirement within each question. Remember, you can earn follow-through marks even if you've made mistakes, so if you're not sure what to do, you should always just have a go. I hope that you found this guidance useful, and I wish you best of luck with your exam.